I'm JoAnn with Expressions Vinyl, and one of our favorite types of vinyl to work with is Siser heat transfer or iron-on vinyl, and you can use it on a wide variety of surfaces. And it comes in a variety of colors, from fluorescent to metallic. It's made up of 3 layers. You've got your clear carrier sheet, which holds the vinyl in place until you're ready to use it, and it also acts as a protective layer when you apply your heat source. You've also got your vinyl layer and your adhesive layer, which will activate with heat. So when cutting your vinyl, you want to make sure to have the clear carrier sheet down and only cut through the adhesive and the vinyl. And also, don't forget to mirror your image. We have cut settings on our website for whichever type of machine you might be using. Siser EasyWeed is so easy to work with, and that's where it gets its name. It's easy to weed. I have some fun summer images I want to add to a shirt. So now that you've got it weeded, you can see what the carrier sheet helps with. It helps keep your images all together. So now that we've got that weeded out, we're ready to apply it to our t-shirt. The heat settings for Siser EasyWeed, if you're using a heat press, you want to have it around 305 degrees and press it for 10 to 15 seconds. If you're using an iron, just under the cotton setting, and again, make sure you've got firm pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds. Siser EasyWeed works great for layering, and it can be your bottom layer or the top layer. So I've got this last set of seeds that I'm going to put right here on the watermelon. And then you want to make sure you protect the rest of the vinyl with just a multi-use sheet. Here you go, here's the last layer. And it is that simple. So if you've got any questions about this or if you've used it before, make sure you leave them below and don't forget to subscribe.